Welcome to you all to the first language English online classes. Hello children, how are you? I hope that you all are busy in writing and reading the lesson and the question answers. So, today we are going to discuss the poem. What is the poem? You may be excited to listen it and watch the video. So here the poem says about the problems faced by women in their family, by the society and the family members, friends and many social problems. So have you seen this lady? Yes, you have seen many dancing classes, dancing shows and many movies where she dances very well. Her name is, yeah, right, you're very good. So her name is Sudha Chandran. She has lost her leg in her childhood, and even after losing her leg, she didn't stop dancing. Why? Because she wanted to show her identity in the society. Okay. And who is she? She is very young. At the age of 16, she opposed the terrorists and she fought with them and she became a Nobel Prize winner. At the young age, at the age of 16, she won the Nobel Prize. Why? Why did she win the Nobel Prize? Because when she was in Pakistan, she is from Pakistan, and she was her wish was to make the children educated. But in Pakistan at the time there was no allowance for the children or girls' education. But she wanted to get the education for herself and she wanted to show what the girls are. But after many difficulties also she achieved her success, that getting the education for girls. And she is making many girls getting education from Pakistan. And she is the latest girl, her name, latest record maker. Her name is, yes, her name is Arunima. So what did she do then? You may be thinking, what did she do? She climbed the Mount Everest. Nothing is there. No, it's very interesting. When she was traveling in the train, a man threw her out of the train, running train. When she was traveling by the train, a man threw her for a small issue from the train and she fell out of the train on the other track at night. It happened at night. When she was through on the next other track, she was shocked. What happened to me? She was trying to get up from there. At the same time, the train came and crushed her legs. She was too shocked. She was unable to think what happened to me. And she saw her, after going the train, she saw that her legs are cut off. What to do now? She was unable to run. She is shouting and shouting. No one is to hear her sound. And she was very much shocked, and seeing her legs, it was bleeding, the legs are cut out, and the rats started to come and eat her legs. She is unable to beat them, and so we can't express in our words also. So she faced many problems at that night, and in the next morning she was whole night she was crying, shouting and all. But at the next morning a man was walking from that way, and he transferred her to the hospital. So after that also she did not stop. In the hospital she was thinking, what happened to me? Now what should I do? Then she thought, Yes, I have to show the people that I can do anything. By climbing the Mount Everest, she showed her identity that women can do anything and everything with any difficulties. Yes, sure. Yes, exactly, no? Yes. These are the women who got success from India. See here, we can see Indira Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, Hema Malini, Jayamala, Jayapradha. She is Smriti Irani, Sheila Dikshit, Sonia Gandhi, Prime Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, Mayawati. So these all are people who got success with many difficulties by their talent and by their confidence. So this poem is related to women. So what is related to women here? What is compared to women? Yes, this poem is compared to the lawnmower and the grass. The woman's life is compared to grass. Why? Because when the grass is growing itself in the rainy season and the winter season, the lawnmower comes and cuts off the grass. Even after cutting the grass doesn't stop growing. It continues growing. Even when we see in the field and open places, if we walk on the grass for a few days, it stops drying. It starts drying. So even in the life of women, many issues like family problems, financial problems, society, people, brothers, father, neighbors, any one of them starts pressing her with her difficulties. But even after those problems, she won't stop growing. That means achieving success. So day by day she starts improving herself. But some ladies who presses under the grass, they get dried and they become like a straw, which is useless. Why do we use the straws? That means ಕಳಕಿ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಒಣಗಿದ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೀವನ ಏನದೆ, ಗ್ರಾಸಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ the life of woman or the woman is compared to the grass by Kishwar Nahid. Now let us we can see now who is Kishwar Nahid. Kishwar Nahid was born in Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh in 1940. She is one of the best known women poets of Pakistan. She is from Pakistan. She has written a collection of traditional ghazals. She has written many ghazals which are very famous. She has also written for children and for the daily newspaper Jang. She has written for children many poets. Here, her poetry has been translated into English and Spanish. She writes in Urdu, but they are translated to English also. Her well-known poem was We Sinful Women. ನಾವು ಪಾಪಿಗಳು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಪಾಪ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಬ್ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಮೂಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೂಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ she has written a poem, was translated and edited by Rukhsana Ahmed and published in London by the Women's Press in 1991. So this is the poem written by Kishwar Nahid and translated by Rukhsana Ahmed in English. Okay. So what is the poem now? This is the poem written by Kishwar Nahid. The poem name is The Grass is Really Like Me. How it is compared? Come, let us start. Listen, let us understand how it is compared. The grass is also like me. She is saying that my life and grass life is also both are same. It has to unfurl underfoot to fulfill itself. So when the grass is pressed and suppressed under the foot of people, when they press it, it goes down, but when they move from there, again it opens its leaves. Again it opens because it is wet. It is in the wet place, because it has water content in that, it opens. But what does it manifest? Wetness manifest? See, when it opens, it need water in that. But when the man presses it again and again every day, then she gets dried. The grass also gets dried. Even the life of woman also gets dried. A scorching sense of shame or heat of emotion. How the grass gets dried, even the same when the man is pressing the woman again and again, she gets drying herself. That is heat of emotion. It gets irritated for her, but even she is helpless at that time. When he presses again and again, she gets lost. The grass is also like me. As soon as it raises its head, the lawnmower, obsessed with flattening it into velvet, moves it down again. When the grass starts again raising its head, the character of a grass is, if you cut it again, it grows very fast again. After cutting it, it won't stop. It starts growing. So same, the woman, when the woman wanted to raise her head, the man presses her. Same, the lawnmower is a machine. It cuts the grass. Same, the man is also cutting the woman's wishes and her desires. As soon as it raises its head, the lawnmower, obsessed with flattening it into velvet, moves it down again. He makes all the grass in the same level. He cuts it off and he makes it soft for himself. So same, men also cuts the woman desires, and he wanted to get everything from woman. That means for himself. He is a selfish. How you strive and endeavor to level woman down. So the man is always trying to level woman down too. With many effort, if she is trying to open herself, he won't allow her to grow up. He will be pressing her. But neither the earth nor woman's desire to manifest life dies. But neither the earth nor woman's desire, no one can kill her or no one can press her. Take my advice. She is saying that, take my advice. The idea of making a footpath was a good one. His idea is making a footpath is very good, but not the right way. Those who cannot bear the scorching defeat. So the grass which is not ready to cut itself by the lawnmower, then their courage are grafted on the earth. If the grass is not cutting, if it becomes hard, no, he removes it from the roots itself and throws it. He won't cut it. Same with the woman. She is not ready to get press under the foot of men. She will be removed of the life. That's how they make way for the mighty, but they are merely straw, not grass. The grass is really like me. ಯಾವಾಗ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಥವಾ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒತ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತ, ನೀನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಳು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಭಾಳ ಆಗಕತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ಸಾ ಇನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಏನಾದರೂ ಎದುರು ನಿಂತು ಅಥವಾ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತನ್ನ ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ತಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡೋಕತ್ತಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫು ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಬೇರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮೆನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಾವೇನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ತಾಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಮೂಲಿ ಗುಂಪಾಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎದಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮೆನ್, how he is pressing the women in everyday life, like challenges. She is ready to face a challenge, but he won't allow her to do it. The life of women is compared to the grass. Yes. So what is the poem? Let us read it once again. The grass is also like me, it has to unfurl underfoot to fulfill itself, but what does its wetness manifest? A scorching sense of shame or the heat of emotion. The grass is also like me, as soon as it raises its head, the lawn mower, obsessed with flattening it into velvet, moves it down again. How you strive and endeavor to level woman down too, but neither the earth's nor woman's desire to manifest life dies. Take my advice. The idea of making a footpath was good one. Those who cannot bear the scorching defeat of their courage are grafted on the earth. That's how they make way for the mighty, but they are merely straw, not grass. The grass is really like me. So in olden days what happened? The women were not allowed to go outside and work, but nowadays we are very lucky. We have everything. We have all the permissions to go out, to watch it, to read, to get education, to work, to move anywhere without any conditions. But in olden days, the women were always inside the kitchen. They were not even allowed to go out of the house to watch or to buy anything. If she was at that, she was doing in those days, she was having many punishments, like Sati Paddhati. We can say Sati Paddhati. What is Sati Paddhati now? Sati Pratha. Sati Pratha means when the husband dies, the woman was not having the permission to live on earth. So she was also burned with the husband. After that, like Jyotiba Phule allowed his wife to get education. Savitribai Phule, she got education in that situation. So there are many women who shown us how to get success, like Indira Gandhi. So she became the Prime Minister, the first woman Prime Minister of India. She also taught us a woman can do anything, like Kiran Bedi. So she was the first woman IPS officer of India. She has also shown us women can become even IPS officer. So many people, Pratibha Patil also shown us how she became a president of India. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit also shown us. So there are many women, and presently also we can see many women who are working for the welfare of their life and for the others' life. So write the summary. What did you understand by watching the poem? And try to write some women life stories who got success with many difficulties. Okay? Thank you for watching the video, and bye. Have a nice day.